In today's video, I'll teach you how to find Casetify discount code. First of all, launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I've opened Google Chrome. Now what you have to do is click on the search bar. Now simply type in couponfollow.com, press enter, or you can also visit other websites and platforms that provide you the coupon codes of various stores. After you do that, you'll be able to find the coupon codes. Here I've just opened Coupon Follow. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. So in order to find the Casetify coupon code, what you have to do is simply click on the search bar that you can see right over here on your screen. Now what you have to do is search for Casetify. You'll be able to see the results over here. Find this option for Casetify and click on it. Now after you do that, you'll be led to another interface. In this interface, you'll be able to find all the available coupon and promo codes over here. What you have to do is scroll down in order to see more options. You'll be able to find the options like 10% off, 15% off, $10 off, 50% off, etc. What you have to do is find the coupon code that you like the best. Once you do that, click on this option, show coupon code. Now in this interface, you can see over here, you'll be able to find the coupon code. You can redeem it directly at Casetify. For that, click on this option, redeem at Casetify. Otherwise, you can simply copy this code. Click on this option, copy, that you can see on the screen. Now the code will be copied and you'll be able to use it during the checkout and you'll be able to get the discount. So that is how you find Casetify discount code. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.